Watch the clearance on the left. Easy now, keep it steady.
This Sushi Grade Loin, model TU-60, is stabilized using CO treatment.
Temperature holding steady at -62.
Acknowledged. The color stabilization is optimal.
At the dihydrants point, the high-value central sections are directed to process A for ultra-low temperature storage, while the remaining material continues. The skeletal structure and remaining sections are quickly transferred via this enclosed conveyor belt towards process B.
Pressure levels are stabilizing within the parameters.
Confirmed. Noted for the compliance log. Carbon monoxide treatment stabilizes the color of the TU-60 loin.
After color stabilization, the tuna blocks enter the cryogenic zone. Clouds of cold vapor indicate the extreme temperature differential.
The robotic arms precisely stack the deep red model TU-60 blocks, maintained at ultra-low temperature storage of -60 degrees Celsius.
A specialized automated forklift transports the deep red tuna blocks through airlocks into the dedicated.
Maintained at -60 degrees Celsius, the deep red color of the model TU-60 is stabilized. a panoramic view of the fully operational Process A zone. The deep
The camera focuses tightly on this vacuum-sealed, frozen, deep red tuna block, highlighting the firm, crystalline texture.
ensuring infrastructure reliability.
To maintain the integrity of the sashimi grade model TU-60, the tuna blocks are stored at -60 degrees Celsius before rapid transfer.
Secured in ultra-low temperature storage at -60 degrees Celsius, the model TU-60 Sashimi Loin depart.
Empty plastic film rolls and cardboard scraps are automatically collected, then compressed into clean bales for environmental processing.
This final confirmation concludes all activities for the primary produce for the production pipe to the process improvement.
The light-colored tuna flakes are thoroughly mixed with a specialized brine solution, ensuring consistent flavor.
The multi-head robotic filler precisely dispenses the brine-like tuna flakes into silver cans at high speed.
Retort doors locked. Pressure stable.
Confirmed. Beginning sterilization cycle.
Following ultra-low temperature storage, the cartons are sealed at precisely controlled temperatures.
Here in Process B, the palletization robot rapidly stacks the specialized tuna cartons, utilizing an interlocked pattern for maximum stability in dry storage. The ruggedized scanner registers the pallet, logging the high-protein canned tuna flakes into the warehouse management system, ensuring accurate stock control.
The forklift retrieves product B, the deep red sashimi grade loin.
Lower it slowly right there. Clear. Bring the next one up.
Here we see the highly efficient waste stream management.
The final phase of the supply chain, delivering the product to the customer. When the customer selects the high-protein canned tuna flakes, the journey is complete.
A fork gently flakes the light-colored tuna, highlighting its soft texture. This contrasts with the raw, deep.
The stabilized color of the TU-60 makes for a perfect presentation.
It looks delicious, honey. Let's eat.
The deep red sashimi grade tuna, model TU-60, ensures a quality end-user experience, providing accessible protein for the whole family.
This tuna is absolutely delicious, honey. I agree. The flavor is incredibly fresh.
Our stabilized tuna provides a reliable, high-protein component for daily nutrition, perfect for on-the-go consumption.
Emphasizing versatility, our high-protein canned tuna flakes are ideal for savory bakes.
The successful culmination of a precise industrial journey, bringing quality, high-protein tuna from the factory to your table.